Welcome back to the channel. Today we are just going to talk about our goals. We're not going to do any blade sharpening. We're not going to talk about the indoor lawns. We're going to talk about 2021. We're putting 2020 in our past. Let's get started. So this year's been really tough on a lot of people. My family's been fortunate. We haven't had much loss. All of us have pretty much kept our jobs, and we're really, really thankful for that. So if you're out there, be thankful for what you have. Help somebody who needs some help if they need it. And hopefully we can have a better 2021 than we did in 2020. So for me personally, my personal goals this year is simply to go back to school and start a new career and get out of the utilities business that I've been in for the past 5 years. And for lawn, I've got quite a bit of goals. And this is a lawn channel, right? It's supposed to be. It's mostly in my basement right now because it's like 15 degrees now. But this is a lawn channel. So my lawn goals this year are going to be, let's fast forward to fall. This fall I want to do a complete renovation of my lawn. And that's going to involve basically killing my entire front yard and reseeding it. I'm going to kill my entire front yard. My wife doesn't know. She's going to be okay with it. Sorry, babe. She'll be okay with it. We're going to do perennial ryegrass and Kentucky bluegrass, probably around a 50-50 mix, something like that. I need to look into that some more. We're going to use premium seed. Need to look into that some more. So let's go ahead and rewind. For spring, I'm going to take the lawn from what I did in the fall with my overseed semi-renovation and boost it the best I can. And I'm going to do that by using some herbicides and fertilizers and mowing frequently. So with the herbicides, it's going to be a pre-emergent to help reduce the weeds growing from seed. And then post-emergent herbicides to kill off things like clover that are really hard to take care of, and moss that's sometimes hard to take care of. And then for the rest of my weeds, it's mostly just broadleaf weeds, and that's okay. Those are easy to take care of. We can pluck them. We can use pre-emergence and post-emergence. And then the next would be to mow the lawn frequently, and that's going to help lateral growth instead of vertical growth and give us a fuller lawn. And then thirdly, I have some irrigation issues to deal with because we get pretty hot summers where that grass goes pretty darn dormant. So I'm going to have to keep in track on the amount of rain we get through like June, July, and August, and irrigate where I need to. And that's pretty much it for my lawn goals this year. There's probably some micro lawn goals and little spots in my yard that I really want to tweak and take care of, but that's all right. We're going to do a renovation in the fall. We'll do what we have and move forward. This video, go ahead and hit like. If you want to stick around, hit subscribe. We'll see you next time, partner. Oh, wait, there's bonus footage of my dog Finley. She's going to be a major cast member of this channel. Check it out.